They hold the water back.
Jukes, let's see your fish. Bring it up here. Hold it upside down by the tail. Ooh. Okay.
Mommy, when I was walking this way, it floated to me.
Yeah,
Mom.
it's dead, it's floating.
It floated.
Otherwise it would be swimming.
And I fall. My rock stick.
Don't, Juliana. Jackson. Hey, baby.
He's gone. No, not over here. Up here. No. Look at the further away.
Throw it in there.
Wait, don't. Here.
Let her hold it, Juke. Just let her hold it for a minute. It's just a dead fish.
He can sail on a boat.
Can you believe that? Let go, Juliana. Let her hold it.
Just here. He can sail on a boat. Thank you.
They're fighting over a dead fish. They're going to sail. I'm trying to get it where I can see what they're doing with it.
Oh, yeah. I think the fish is too heavy on that leaf. It makes it go under.
And I'll be here, make sure.
There he goes. Let him go. He was floating. No, he's a dead fish. Put him in the water. Let him float down the thing and see what happens.
And I can't grab it.
Yeah, I guess.
Come back, Jackson.